If you see a page on Instagram that says thanks for providing your info, it most likely means that you have a suspension or a ban on your Instagram account for breaking a guideline that you may not have been aware of, or it could be a mistake. So to fix that, this is exactly what you need to do. Go onto Google and type in appeal Instagram suspension on top, and there's a Facebook page here called Instagram Help Center. Go to this page. And this is if your Instagram account, again, was deactivated or suspended. What you need to do is you need to type out your first name, your email, and your Instagram username, your mobile phone number, and you need to say why you're appealing the decision to permanently deactivate your account. Now, again, if you were using Instagram in a way where it seemed like it was a bot, where you're following hundreds of accounts every hour, those type of actions will really permanently deactivate your account. Even if you go through this process, it will most likely not work. But if it was a mistake or something that an appeal process can help with, this is your only option. So this is Facebook and Instagram directly trying to fix this with this appeal process. Now, outside of this, please ignore all kinds of spam, especially on YouTube comments that tell you they could get your account back. Instagram and Facebook on this page is the only way to appeal a deactivation or a suspension. I hope you found this useful. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.